In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure a smooth and safe online purchasing experience by verifying supplier ratings and reviews. Online shopping, especially when dealing with wholesale or international vendors, can seem daunting, but by following these steps, you can safeguard your investments and streamline the entire process. Let's begin with the foundational step, thoroughly verifying supplier ratings and reviews. This initial research is crucial because it provides insights into the supplier's reliability and the quality of their products. Dive deep into the reviews, looking not just at the quantity, but the quality of feedback. Pay particular attention to what other buyers are saying about delivery times, product accuracy, and customer service. Sifting through this feedback will give you a broader picture of what to expect and can also help identify any repeating issues that might affect your purchase. Next, let's talk about securing your payment. Always opt for secure payment options, such as trade assurance or equivalent services specific to the platform you're using. These services act as a safety net, protecting your money until the product is delivered as promised. They ensure that the funds are only released to the supplier once you've confirmed that you're satisfied with the goods received. This added layer of protection can alleviate much of the anxiety that comes with purchasing from an unknown supplier. Ordering samples is the next crucial step. Before committing to a large order, request samples to assess the product's quality firsthand. While reading descriptions and reviews helps, handling the product gives you a tactile assurance of its quality. This way, you won't face any unpleasant surprises once your larger shipment arrives. It might involve an extra cost, but consider it an investment in ensuring your peace of mind. Another integral aspect of the process is clear communication. Always communicate with your suppliers before making a purchase. Whether you're clarifying product details, shipment timelines, or payment conditions, clear communication ensures that both parties are aligned with the expectations. Use this opportunity to ask any lingering questions and reiterate your requirements for the order. A good supplier will appreciate this clarity and will often reciprocate with the same level of transparency. Finally, once your order is placed, tracking the shipment is vital. Being proactive about tracking allows you to stay updated with every step of the delivery process. Use the tracking information provided to monitor the shipment's progress and make sure to confirm delivery once it arrives. Checking the contents as soon as they are delivered is crucial. And if everything is in order, mark the order as complete within the payment platform to finalize the transaction. By carefully following these steps, you can enjoy a more reliable and secure